Josh is gonna go ahead and start the car without any exhaust. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Mike from JDM Icon here. Today we're going to be working on Josh's Evo once again. If you couldn't tell by the title of the video already, we're going to be installing a new exhaust. So this is going to be really exciting because Josh has always wanted a better exhaust. His exhaust is basically OEM except for the rear muffler here. And honestly, all I did was I put like a spacer, like a bunch of washers, so it's a little bit louder because this is still like a full rusty muffler and stuff. Basically just an axle back exhaust, and it's really quiet. At least by the end of this video, his car is going to be super loud, and honestly, for the money, this exhaust looks really good. So I'm really interested to see how it sounds. So let's go ahead and get working on it. I love Evos, but I just hate where the battery is. It is so annoying to put the battery all the way in there and then have like the battery brace or the tie down. It's so annoying. Also guys, I just noticed something. It's +10 today, and how is there still snow on the lawn? That's just blowing my mind right now. I don't even know why, but there's no snow anywhere. I guess there is still over there, but... So before we go ahead and install the exhaust, I just want to give you guys a cold start on how Josh's exhaust right now sounds. So it's not bad, but it's, to be honest, in person it's really quiet. Okay, give it some sauce. Stage 3 clutch, man, the twin plate, you can hear it rattling. So many people have no idea what that is. This taillight's fucking up, man. Jesus Christ.
So Mike, what you doing right now?
Well, I'm unbolting the cat from the downpipe here, because we are going to be keeping the factory downpipe because we don't have a replacement for it yet. But basically you're going to be running a test pipe, so a cat delete, and your exhaust that you ordered from OBX.
Yeah, because I got a cat back.
Yeah, you have a cat back, so the cat back is from here back, but I have an extra titanium test pipe that you can have. So we're going to be throwing it on here.
Okay, let's see what Mike has done so far. What's up? Fill us in.
Hey dude, how's it going out there?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not windy down here.
It's not windy.
Feel free to join me if you want.
Yeah.
So we took off the hanger here, and I think what I'm gonna have to do is remove all the hangers all the way down, and then we're gonna remove the O2 sensors, just like we did on my video. If you haven't checked out my exhaust install, which was like the first JDM Icon / anti-perfect video, I'll link it in the corner and you guys can check it out. That was the very first install.
Yeah,
so warning, if you watch it, cringe.
Mike just took out the exhaust. We just took it out of the hangers, and the entire exhaust is just
Hey guys, how's it going?
yeah. So can you give us a quick update?
Well, the exhaust just I removed the last hanger and I didn't think about it and the whole thing fell on me.
Yeah, I honestly, there was a jack stand right there holding
Yeah.
it, but it didn't quite do the job.
No, it didn't. We should have put it over here. But
Yeah.
nevertheless, my shoulder's in a little bit of pain right now. But I'm letting the pain sink in. Alright Josh, here's the nut.
Okay, and
Here's my nut, bro.
thanks. I'll hang on to it.
Okay,
Well, it's off.
the whole thing is out.
You want to take an intermission, a break?
No, we don't take breaks here at JDM Icon. We finished the whole job.
Okay. Yes, you said it. I didn't.
We don't think anything through here.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, just
Maybe I should put it down now.
Yeah. So we have the exhaust out, as you guys can see here. And I didn't realize how heavy a factory OEM Evo 10 exhaust is. This is at least probably like 50 pounds or something. But this, I know it doesn't have the mufflers on it, but this is actually decently light compared to all of this crap. The cat, I never realized how heavy this cat actually is. Man, I love how Pikachu and then Charmander. I don't know what other Pokemon Josh could be, but... Josh, what are you doing?
Oh, dude, just working out.
Getting those gains, bro?
Those gains.
I think your weights are a little hollow, bro.
Oh, no.
Jeez, my hair. I've been wearing a hat all day. Right now, the exhaust is off, and I did this when on my exhaust install. So Josh is gonna go ahead and start the car without any exhaust. It's just a downpipe. Just make sure you're not in gear. Don't close the door, don't close the door. It's really loud, it's really loud. Okay, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Yo, that was insane.
No,
it's so loud.
I remember watching your video and when you did that. If you guys haven't watched it, click right here. But
you guys have to check out that video.
I remember
so
when
good.
he did that, I was like, oh, it sounds loud. But I didn't know it was that loud.
Man, it was really loud.
Holy.
Now that we did that, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and install the test pipe, the titanium test pipe. This was on my original Evo. Our gasket is a little bit small, but this is the only gasket we have right now. So next time we're at the shop, we can just replace it. But this is the titanium test pipe, and then it's going to be mated to Josh's OBX exhaust. That's actually a mouthful, hey? OBX, I don't know. Exhaust I have doesn't have any mufflers. Josh has 2 mufflers at the back, so I'm really interested to see how this exhaust actually sounds.
I don't want like the loudest exhaust. I like it subtle, but also like nice. You know what I mean? I don't want like super loud. Like I don't want to piss anyone off either. But I don't really like exhausts that are super loud anyways.
I mean, like if you keep your car like that, you'll be pissing everyone off with no exhaust, right? But anyways, let's go ahead and throw it on.
You can see it is OBX. I actually really like that. That looks really cool. Apparently, this is actually really similar to the HKS dual high power exhaust. So I'm assuming it would sound something like that. Although I have never heard how this sounds.
Give me the snap-on spanner, the red. Oh, hey. How you doing, buddy?
Yo, no way! Yo, no way! Dude, thanks so much, man.
I know you guys haven't gotten the time to go stop.
Yeah, thank you so much. Dude, thanks for, we're doing the exhaust right now. You gonna say hi to the vlog? Yo, thanks so much, dude. Yeah, have a good one. Thanks to our homie Jay for dropping off some goodies. He dropped off some Boss coffees. We're gonna go stop by, actually I don't know, after this or something, to go grab these, and he said that I know you guys don't have time, so he was nice enough to drop some off. Thank you so much, Jay. That is sweet. Sheesh. Guys, give Jay a follow. Okay, hold it in place. Hold it.
Oh, she's on, buddy. Is there only one hanger on this?
Yeah, apparently. I was looking at that too.
Oh shit.
I can rock a single exit if I want.
You could.
Single exit. Honestly, it doesn't even look that bad. It's in?
No. My head just got heavy again.
If you want to brake, dude, go for it. I'm not stopping you.
Brakes are for pussies, Josh.
Okay.
Hold on, I need a break.
Did you say that unconsciously?
Yeah. Josh said that he wants to try installing the last muffler on his
straightforward.
exhaust. Oh yeah, it's very straightforward.
I still need a hand though. You wanna help? I just need to pull it up.
Okay.
You know what? I'll ask you to do the hangers first. Film it or no?
Josh failed.
I didn't
have to take over
I put
again.
the bolts in, dude. What do you mean?
Josh failed. Alright, so the exhaust is all done. I'm actually really interested to see how this thing sounds. It's not bad. That's not bad. It actually sounds really good, and it's not as loud as mine.
Finally. I like this.
This actually sounds pretty good,
I
right?
actually like that so much.
My overall opinion on Josh's exhaust, it does sound really similar to mine, only muffled, which makes sense because he has a muffler. But now that it's warmed up a bit, it actually sounds pretty good. It's really subtle, yeah, and it's not in your face like I have the loudest exhaust at the car meet. It's
really
actually
like it.
chill. It's actually really nice. I don't think you'll get pulled over for something like this.
No. I'm really curious to see how it sounds actually like driving.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Go park your car now.
He's gonna do it.
Is my dad gonna rev Josh's car?
I didn't even do it yet.
He is. It's actually nice.
Yeah, it's actually
really cool. Ooh!
Let's go! I love that. I love
Look at that. Look at this guy. Whoa!